Hello children, good morning to all. In the previous class, we had completed the revision of chapter 1 rational number, and today we are going to start the revision of chapter 2 compound interest. So let us see the first question of this chapter. Find the compound interest on rupees 4000 occurred in 3 years when the rate of interest is 8% for the first year and 10% per year for the second and the third year. So dear students, here we have to find out the compound interest for the 3 years. Let us see. Principal is given 4000 rupees. Rate of for the first year is given 8% and 10% for the next 2 years. So let us find out the simple interest for the first year. As we know, the formula is PRT upon 100. So let us put it the value of P, that is 4000 into 8 into 1 upon 100. This 200 will cancel out, 8 4 the 32. So 320 rupees will be the simple interest. Now amount after 1 year, that is principal plus simple interest. So 4000 plus 320, that is equal to 4320 rupees will be the amount, and this amount will become the principal for the next year. So interest for the second year at the rate of 10% per annum. Let us see. Again we will apply the same formula. Simple interest is equal to PRT upon 100. Here principal will become 4320 into 10 into 1. For 1 year we are finding the simple interest, so upon 100. So this 20 will cancel out, this 00. Now 432 will be the simple interest for the second year. Then amount after second year, it will be principal plus simple interest, that is 4320 plus 432, that is equal to 4752 rupees. Now interest for the third year, again we will apply the same formula, PRT upon 100. Here P will become 4752 into 10 into 1 upon 100. This 00 will cancel out, and when we will divide is 4752 upon 10, it will be 475.20 rupees. This will be the simple interest for the third year. Now amount after third year, it will be 4752 plus 4075.20, that is equal to 5227.20 rupees. Now compound interest for 3 years, that is equal to, this is the amount after 3 years. So what will be the compound interest for 3 years? That is A minus P, means amount minus principal. So 5227.20 minus 4000, that is equal to 1227.20 rupees. This will be the compound interest after 3 years. Now we will see the next question. A manufacturer estimated that his machine depreciates by 15% of its value at the beginning of the year. Find the original value of the machine if it depreciates by rupees 5355 during the second year. So let us see. Rate of depreciation is given 15%. Depreciation of machine after second year is equal to 5335 rupees. Now here we will assume, let the original price of the machine be 100 rupees. Now depreciation after the first year, that is equal to 100 into 100 and minus 15 upon 100. So 100 into 85 upon 100, that is equal to 85 rupees will be the depreciation. After this will be the price after depreciation of that machine. Now depreciation after second year, that is equal to 85 into 15 upon 100, that is equal to 255 upon 20. Now we will write down, since if the depreciation for second year is 255 upon 20, then original price is 100 rupees. Therefore if the depreciation for 2 years is equal to 5335, then the original price will be, we will write down 100 upon 255 into 20 into 5335. Now let us simplify this number. If you will divide this number by 5, so here it will be 51 5s are 255 and 5 4s are 20. Now after multiplication, 100 into 4. After multiplying this number, we'll get it 400 into 5335. And when we will divide this number by 51, we'll get it 41,843.137 approx. That is approximately 42,000 rupees will be the original price. This is the approximate price, but actual price is this much. Now let us see the next question number 3. The cost of a machine is rupees 32,000. Its value depreciate at the rate of 5% every year. Find the total depreciation in its value by the end of 2 years. Here, cost of machine principal is given 32,000. Rate of depreciation is given 5% per annum. Period means time is given 2 years. Now depreciation for the first year, that is equal to PRT upon 100. So depreciation for the first year, 32,000 into 5 into 1 upon 100. Now 200 will cancel out. 320 into 5, that is equal to 1600 rupees will be the depreciation in the for the first year. Value after 1 year, what will be the value after 1 year after depreciating its value? For that, 32,000 minus 1600 we have to do. That is equal to 30,400. This will be the value after 1 year. Now depreciation for the second year, again PRT upon 100. This amount will become the principal for the next year. So 30,400 into 5 into 1 upon 100. Now 200 will cancel out. 304 into 5, that is equal to 1520 rupees. Now total depreciation 1600 plus 1520, that is equal to 33,120 rupees will be our answer. This is total depreciation. This will be our answer. So children, today this much only. In this way we have completed this compound interest chapter 2 revision, and I hope you will practice in your home from the textbook. Try to practice all the exercises of exercise 2 chapter compound interest. So today this much only. We will see next in the next class. Thank you.